So this is a video about how to open a stuck door or a locked door on a Samsung washing machine. The model number of this machine is the WFR105NV, and the reason I wanted to make this video was because this door has a special locking mechanism that I hadn't seen anywhere else online. It has this special kind of lock or latch that looks like this, and I couldn't find one like this online, and so I decided to make a video of my own. Now, the door, of course, locks as any normal door would, like this. Now, what I do to get it open is I use a coat hanger end tip that I've made like this. It needs to be quite small, so you can put it in the door here, exactly where it needs to be. Behind the latch, and you pull the latch this way. So what actually happens is you pull that latch this way with this hanger, and that will open the door.